KOHO card, free money or sneaky fees? Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden charges? Monthly maintenance fees, overdraft penalties, it can be a real drag. That's where prepaid cards come in, promising a simpler, more transparent way to manage your money. But are they all sunshine and rainbows? Today, we're diving deep into the KOHO card, a popular prepaid MasterCard gaining traction. We'll crack the code on fees, explore the perks, and ultimately answer the burning question, is KOHO the key to financial freedom, or is there a catch? First things first, KOHO isn't your typical prepaid card. It operates through a mobile app, so everything is accessible at your fingertips. Plus, it boasts features like cashback rewards and interest on your balance, things you wouldn't normally expect from a prepaid card. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump on the KOHO bandwagon, let's address the elephant in the room, fees. Because, let's be honest, free money rarely exists. KOHO offers two main plans, Essential and Extra. Now, the good news is the Essential plan can be completely free. There's no annual fee as long as you meet one of two requirements. Set up a direct deposit into your KOHO account. This means your paycheck or other recurring income gets automatically deposited into your KOHO card. Load at least $500 every month. Basically, if you consistently add $500 to your KOHO card, you avoid the monthly fee. Think of it like a reward for being financially proactive. If you can manage direct deposit or maintain a consistent top-up, then KOHO's Essential plan truly lives up to its name. It's Essential LY free. However, if neither of those options work for you, the Essential plan comes with a monthly fee of $4. That's not a bankbreaker by any means, but it's important to factor it in when considering the overall value. Now, let's talk about the KOHO Extra plan. This one's geared towards those who want to maximize their rewards. Extra offers a slightly higher cashback percentage on purchases compared to Essential, plus some bonus features like free credit score monitoring. Sounds tempting, but there's a catch. KOHO Extra has a monthly fee of $9. So, the cost of a KOHO card depends on your financial habits and spending style. If you can leverage the fee waiver options on the Essential plan, it's a great budget-friendly option with cashback and interest. But if you need the extra features of Extra, be prepared for the $9 monthly fee. Here's the takeaway. KOHO isn't a magic bullet for financial freedom, but it can be a valuable tool. If you're looking for a prepaid card with some cool features and the potential for rewards, KOHO is definitely worth considering. Just make sure you understand the fee structure and choose the plan that best suits your needs. Remember, managing your money is all about making informed choices. KOHO can be a great partner, but it's up to you to navigate the options and use it strategically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.